Another great cast, 2 in a row. Oh yeah, that is fun. When you let it sink right at your feet and one takes it. Well, if nothing else, we're not gonna skunk today. Been getting a lot like this lately. I think last year we definitely had a lot more big fish. Not that we haven't had any, but I could swear last year half our fish that we got out of here were 2 pounds or bigger. No, 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 no! Damn it! Oh my God! Why? And I got a trailer hook on and everything. That was a nice 2-pounder. That's a damn good cast. Not that it matters. I've made many good casts today and we have not got any bites on them. Oh, I spoke too soon. It's a good fish. That's a really good fish. Please, please, please stay on. This is how we want to get out of here. Please, please stay on. Got him. That changes things right there. And that's not a giant, but that's a 3.5 pounder probably. There we go. That's a short and fat fish, man. Really fat. He's got bug eyes on him and a giant head, but he didn't have a huge body. I thought he was going to be... When I first saw him jump, I thought 5-pounder. When I landed him, I thought 3.5 pounder. Now I don't know. He might not even be 3. 303. I don't think I've ever caught in my life a 3-pounder with bug eyes. That's usually something you only see on like 6-pounders and bigger. But I'll take it. This might be the smallest fish I've ever tripoded. Look at that. Just a butterball. Not a super long fish. Alright, well there's no sense in letting them go here. We usually do that to avoid spooking fish, but we're leaving. So, alright, bud. That was a 3-pounder right as we were getting ready to go. That was going to be like, I don't know, second to last cast, something like that. We were getting ready to go. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Peace out.